Ganpati Bappa Moriya. Hello friends, with Ganpati just round the corner, today I am going to share his favorite, that is Modak. During Ganesh festival we make different types of Modak. So today I thought of sharing with you all Rava Modak recipe. So let's see what all ingredients we need to make Rava Modak. Here I have taken half cup of Rava, that is around 8 tablespoons of Rava, half cup of milk. We need around 1 to 2 teaspoon of ghee, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I have taken less sugar, but while adding you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Little cardamom powder and few dry fruits, finely chopped dry fruits for filling. So let's see how to make the Rava Modak. We'll dry roast this Rava till we get a nice fragrance of the Rava. On the low flame we will just dry roast this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep the flame on low, otherwise the Rava will become dark brown in color. We don't need the Rava color to change. So just keep the flame low and dry roast it. That's around 5 minutes. The Rava is roasted well and I'm getting a good fragrance. See, the color has also not changed. So always roast the Rava on low flame. Now we'll remove it on a plate. Now in the same pan we'll add some ghee. Here I have added about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts, I'll add half cup of milk. To this, just add a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Add the sugar and combine all these. You can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I have added little less. Now the sugar has melted, so we'll add little cardamom powder and let the milk come to a boil. Now you can see the milk has started boiling. So at this stage we will add the roasted Rava to this. Now give a nice mix. Combine all these well. If there is any lump, ensure that you break the lumps. Just press like this and break. The Rava will absorb all the milk and let the Rava cook in the milk for about 5 to 7 minutes. So just mash well and ensure that there is no lump in this. Now you can see the milk has all got absorbed. Just cover this for about 4 to 5 minutes and let the suji get cooked well. So here you can see our mixture is done well. Now at this stage, we'll just add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. Give this a nice mix. And we'll remove this on a plate. Switch off the flame. Remove this on a plate. Once this mixture becomes a little cool, then we will knead it well with our hand. Now our mixture is little cool, so I'll transfer it to another plate. Just grease your palm a little. Knead this to a nice dough. Knead it while it is still warm, otherwise you will find it difficult to knead it. If you feel your mixture is a little dry, then you can add a little 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk to this. So my dough is ready. I have this Modak mold, so I'll just remove the pin. Grease the Modak mold, just grease it well. Then you can close this mold, put the pin. Now I have taken some finely chopped almonds, some raisins, that is kishmish, finely chopped cashew nuts and finely chopped pistas. So we are going to use this for the filling. So now take a portion of this dough and fill it inside. Press it with your thumb so that the Press it hard so that the dough comes out a little from here, this side. Then it says that the dough has reached to the corner. Now press it on all the sides like this. Well, add some dry fruits. You can add dry fruits of your choice. Either you can take some mixed dry fruit, or you can take only one particular dry fruit, what you like. Now press it inside. Well, take a little portion of this dough and cover it up. Cover it well. Remove the excess dough. Press it well. Now remove the pin and just tap it on the sides and gently open this mold. See one side, after you open the one side, just keep your finger like this and gently push it. Doesn't this look beautiful? Your Rava Modak is ready to be offered to Lord Ganesha. So we can just place it on a plate. Now the same way we are going to make all the other modaks also. Isn't this simple and easy to make? Do make this Rava Modak. Wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Do subscribe to Rirava's Kitchen and click on the bell icon so that you get updates whenever we upload a new video.